Now shifting focus, India's Operation Sindoor, launched in retaliation for the Pahalgam terror attack, struck deep into Pakistan on May 7th. Among the key targets was Lashkar-e-Taiba's headquarters in Muridke. It was obliterated by Indian Air Force precision strikes. But now a resurrection is underway. Fresh intelligence reveals that Pakistan is directly funding the rebuild of Lashkar's terror infrastructure. In fact, 4 crore Pakistani rupees has already been allocated, while the estimated cost currently stands at over 15 crores in Pakistani rupees. Now, the effort is being spearheaded by senior Lashkar-e-Toiba commanders Maulana Abu Zar and Yunus Shah Bukhari, with the rebuild deadline set for, in fact, February 5th next year, aligning chillingly with the LET's Kashmir Solidarity Day. Meanwhile, LET's cadres have now revived their old tactics, launching fraudulent flood relief campaigns just as they did in the year 2005, when 80% of earthquake funds were funneled into terror camps by Pakistan. Now, despite Pakistan's repeated claims at global platforms of fighting terrorism, the dossier confirms its army and ISI still remain complicit, ensuring LET's survival and resurgence. In fact, at this point, analysts warn that this deliberate rebuilding effort reflects Islamabad's double standards on counter-terror efforts and signals the likelihood of fresh cross-border attacks being planned from Pakistani soil. Now, Markaz-e-Taiba in Muridke, once reduced to rubble, is more than a building, viewers. It is the ideological and operational heart of Lashkar-e-Toiba. It trains over 1,000 cadres every year, offering courses in radicalization, arms handling, and even intelligence gathering. And Ajmal Kasab, Headley, Rana, all linked to the 26/11 terror attacks, were trained here at this headquarter in Muridke, and this was under ISI's directions. In fact, reacting to this very development, Congress MP Manish Tiwari has now urged the Indian government to push the FATF to investigate alleged misuse of IMF funds. And in fact, this is not the only voice in this regard. Here are some of the other reactions that have come in.
ये बहुत आश्चर्य की बात है कि पाकिस्तान वैसे बात करता है कि हम आतंकवाद के खिलाफ हैं, आतंकवाद हम नहीं करने दे रहे, लेकिन वहीं पर एलईटी की लीडरशिप के अंडर में पाकिस्तान के द्वारा पैसा देकर वहाँ पर इसको दोबारा बनाया जा रहा। अगस्त में अभी इसको वापस पूरा ढा दिया गया, इसके बाद इसके ऊपर दोबारा बन रहा है। और ये खबर है कि पाकिस्तान ने तकरीबन 4 करोड़ पाकिस्तानी रुपये इसके लिए दिए और टोटल बजट तकरीबन 15 करोड़ का बता रहे हैं, जैसे सोर्सेज बताते हैं एलईटी के, जो कि बाकी पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है? बाकी पैसा जो बाढ़ के लिए आ रहा है, जो आम आदमी के लिए होना चाहिए, उनकी बचाव के लिए, रिहैबिलिटेशन के लिए होना चाहिए, वो पैसा यहाँ डाइवर्ट हो रहा है। जो पाकिस्तान को और पैसा मिलता है देश की इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए, वो पैसा यहाँ डाइवर्ट हो रहा है। यानी कि पूरा पैसा डाइवर्ट करके आज आतंकवाद के ऊपर पाकिस्तान पैसा खर्च कर रहा है।
Well, if this information is correct and it is true, then India needs to take it up with the FATF. It needs to take it up with the Financial Action Task Force, that if money which is provided by the International Monetary Fund is being used to construct the or reconstruct the headquarters of a UN designated terror organization, the Lashkar-e-Taiba, then this is an extremely serious matter, and Government of India should take it up on priority with the Financial Action Task Force.